Love it. All right,
Is this all meat?
Calamite.
I like Calamite a lot.
Yeah, that sign of calamity that he hits you with is brutal. does, like-
Brutal, dude.
he
Don't
does,
get hit by that.
He does like double damage after that.
Yeah, afterwards every attack does double damage.
I've been hit by it one time. It makes you float up, and you are helpless. And then he just sears that fucking noise and red beam into you. And for the rest of the duration of the fight, he deals double damage under that sign.
I
I
want
could-
to say it runs out.
I
but
could be
I
wrong.
could be wrong.
Calamite's a cool
That dude's
dragon.
Bionicles.
I have no say in it.
His first appearance is kind of Bionicles as well.
He looks cool. That's all I got going for me.
I'm gonna quote Goth. Even mighty Anorlando dared not provoke his ire. And Orlando said, "Fuck that."